Hello and welcome to this critical update. When disaster strikes your home, the last thing you need is an ethical dilemma. But that's exactly what some homeowners face. After a devastating fire, every second counts in restoring your home. Fire remediation professionals possess specialized knowledge of the unique challenges associated with fire damage. This expertise enables them to address issues that may be overlooked by less experienced individuals. Fire damage can create hidden health hazards. Professionals are trained to handle toxic materials, soot particles, and other dangerous residues safely. They use proper protective equipment to avoid exposure to hazardous substances. Trained technicians know how to perform comprehensive cleaning to remove soot, smoke residue, and odors effectively. This thorough approach is crucial for eliminating lingering health threats and restoring the property to a safe conditions. Section 13 imposes a duty of utmost good faith on insurers and their representatives when handling claims. Insurance Contracts Act 1984, Corporations Act 2001, and General Insurance Code of Practice. The Corporations Act 2001, Section 912A, requires Australian Financial Services, AFS licensees, to provide financial services efficiently, honestly, and fairly. General Insurance Code of Practice, Section 7, requires insurers and their representatives to be open, fair, and honest in their dealings with customers. Section 8 requires claims to be handled in an honest, fair, transparent, and timely manner. Charter of Objects and Professional Conduct requires loss adjusters to act with integrity, objectivity, and fairness. Prohibits conflicts of interest that could compromise professional judgment. ASIC Regulatory Guide 271 requires AFS licensees to handle complaints fairly and provide reasons for decisions. Unethical behavior can delay recovery and add stress during an already difficult time. Document everything. Keep detailed records of all communications, work performed, and any issues encountered with the loss adjuster. Communicate professionally. Attempt to address the issue directly with the loss adjuster or their supervisor in a calm, factual manner. Escalate the complaint. If direct communication is unsuccessful, consider escalating the issue to higher management at the insurance company. Seek mediation. Consider involving a neutral third party to help resolve the dispute, such as an industry association or mediation service. File a formal complaint. Submit a complaint to relevant regulatory bodies or professional associations that oversee insurance adjusters' conduct. Educate clients. Moving forward, inform property owners about the importance of working with ethical professionals and the potential risks of allowing insurance companies to dictate contractor selection. Strengthen business practices. Implement robust documentation and communication protocols to protect your company from similar situations in the future. Remember to always maintain professional conduct and focus on providing high-quality service to your clients, as this can help protect your reputation in the long run. Let's band together as an industry and bring to light these common practices within the cleaning and restoration division of insurance claims. For further details, reach out via our email or website for additional information and educational materials.